Hi, I'm Tebbutt, and this is the Monolith Avantgarde. And the reason I love it so much is that basically everything you can do indoors in your domestic kitchen, you can do outdoors. It's very, very controllable. It's fuss-free. It's nice and relaxed. You don't have to stress about it, and it's beautifully made. So one of the things I love most about this beast is the fact that it has so much ceramic. There's a lot of ceramic here, which holds all the heat when you cook, which gives you an all-round heat. There's no sort of hot spots, so it's an all-round heat, and it keeps everything you cook nice and moist. And the other nice thing is that the ceramic itself has a lifetime warranty. So another feature which I really love is this smart grid system, whereby it gives you either direct heat or indirect heat, depending on what you're cooking. But also, if you look at the shape of this lid, it's essentially like a pizza oven. It's a stone oven. So you've got this element where you can cook perfect pizzas, but also you've got the grill like a traditional barbecue. So some of the other features which I love is the fact there's a very easy ash removal system that slips in here and you just pull it out, so you don't have to take the thing apart. And the other thing I love is these little side tables. And these are made out of a really heavy bamboo, and they're super durable and weatherproof, and they're also rigidly stable. Another little feature is this light here in the handle, which is great for cooking at night. It's been really, really well thought out. It's super easy to use. And on that note of engineering, if you look up here on this gasket, it's beautifully crafted. And we look at the base plate here, everything is cleanable, it's all wipeable, it's going to give you great results. One of the really cool bits of kit that you can also get for the Monolith Avantgarde is the rotisserie. So it's got a spit rod, which will roast something like a whole chicken, but it's also got 7 skewers, which you can cook all sorts of things on there as well. So the sorts of food I love cooking on this, things like you can smoke everything. You've got a little chute in here, you put some wood chips and everything gets smoked. You can do slow cooks overnight when you've got enough heat left in here. Slow cook things overnight and they're ready the next day. Fast cooks like simple steaks. You can do things like bread, you can do things like pizzas, even desserts, bread and butter puddings, pineapple skewers, the world's your oyster. So in a nutshell, the Monolith Avantgarde is a great piece of kit. I've loved using it and I know you will as well.